Despite literally dying.
Oh God, Jacob, no.
Who's gonna save you?
Oh.
But maybe he did.
Oh.
Change it. You just see
The significance of the cigarette, like.
Your bones? That's the first thing.
Hey, backstory, flashback of a side character, Jacob.
He's not a fucking side character. But he's remembering the point when she brought up the going into the private sector, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
She a bad friend for that. I love her.
Thank you.
She did it again.
Yes, I was making the references with her chasing after him and Denji, a
realize
cradle robber or
I
something.
didn't realize she was that young. Holy hell.
At the time, I don't know how much time passed.
This music theme.
Yeah, she is the worst.
What's wrong with this? What the fuck?
What was wrong with her?
Huh?
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, he fucked that thing up. Or not.
Yeah, it's significantly more than 8. Oh, that's the spider girl, and this is the other girl. That's that. Hanama's.
Wait.
Himeno, thank you.
I still got more hands, bro.
Wait.
Is it trying to give him something?
Is it possible
I was gonna punch the shit out of him.
that
There's probably that.
Yeah, there's something in the hand.
if that has the cigarette in it, so help me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh, nigga, turn around and help me.
Does that like have Himeno's memories? Yeah.
That's.
In a lot of ways,
Oh
no.
before someone dies, they want to have.
Easy revenge.
What?
No way! What?
Nope, right?
What?
Spark it up.
Give me everything? Like,
That's what
has she like fused with this devil now or something? Or can control it?
Oh.
And I'm not afraid.
Oh.
Afraid of like ghost because like she didn't have. You're not afraid that it can't see you. Like ghost was.
Oh, walking across the bed of flowers. That's why its neck is flowers. There you go. Oh, that is fucking terrifying. That is so good.
In the previous episode.
Oh. Oh.
Not on my fucking watch, boy. Literally, not on my fucking watch.
Well,
This is shocking.
that was sensational.
That's kind of sad.
Opening grand closing, huh?
She's like, what?
Your turn.
Yeah, you gotta go.
He does the con thing at the end, and it looks like we get like.
Yeah, they get crushed. Ha! Something I saw.
Damn, you lost a whole fingernail.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You already got rolled.
Who there?
it's over.
Oh. Oh, damn. Shit. Kobe's already got you.
That was so quiet and
Not
quick.
Did you see her knees buckle for
Yeah.
a second there? Like, I'm so scared.
Take care of my brother.
I don't want to strip.
She want her phone.
This is the most realistic.
Yo, simple. I like it. She like bonus seats, baby. High CPM, baby.
Holy shit.
Power.
Power, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh!
Okay.
This is a snack.
Trail snack.
Mind your business.
全然違うね。
I could puke.
俺たちの仕事は侍ソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
Forgot, eat his ass.
Yo, I ain't letting power anywhere near my meat.
Nah, definitely not.
I see.
Oh my god.
Put on the glasses and just
Yeah.
Smart idea.
Yeah, true. Just,
Well,
I think they're going to.
we're making an ocean.
yeah.
Yes!
Have at thee!
She said these I can defeat. Crazy.
What do you learn?
I trust my back to you.
Denji!
Let's say you know. Nah, she's ridiculous.
You let him know.
Oh my god, I love this.
That's
Is
a big boy.
Denji, I'll leave this one to you. Yeah.
She's not trusting anybody.
Damn, Flowers.
Damn.
Denji, bear with me.
He just continues up. He's like,
Yo, he loves her.
He was
well,
behind him the whole
it's
time.
just
He said, I give you
Yep.
my back. He was like,
I just see back.
I knew he was in the elevator, but I saw the floor was changing.
Yawn in a place like this.
Look, Denji.
Ah.
all the unlucky
Go
numbers.
tell tales of it.
Katana man,
He's
though.
ready to go.
Finger on the trigger. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
oh, now you want to talk?
Oh, probably because he can't turn. Or he's giving himself time.
Interesting.
Trust anyone.
Huh?
So if that arm is gone, you can't.
He
Oh,
kept
wait.
strange and do not trust people.
Wait.
Yeah, well, they were assholes, so like, what can I tell you about that? They took my
What?
parts of my body. The truth. Literally, it's what happened.
Oh, you real? This is really your granddad?
Grandpa was an asshole.
Oh, he knew that, but he's delusional.
Yo, your granddad's in the streets. He knew the street rules. What's wrong with you, bro?
Oh, here we go. He's one of them.
It's kind of hypocritical to ask that.
Please.
Mind you, Rick.
Don't sit there and be like, no, Lupa.
Okay.
Quote from Max.
Whoa.
What are you gonna do? Chainsaw me?
Whoa.
My boy.
Oh, you think you're better?
Trying to distract you.
He does.
You're insane. Even if
Nah.
What is this?
even if you did
I haven't
kill your
gotten laid
grandpa,
yet,
that's not
dude.
your granddad's. Like, you
Yeah,
did a
nah.
good job.
Yo, with a smile. Nope. Interesting.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
We're gonna surrender.
Time to smoke.
After they kill me.
Well, why would you listen to that?
All right.
Just let us kill you.
Jeez.
I'm surprised that he did not.
Jeez.
All right.
What a fighting style. You saw the footwork?
Yeah, I see him. He can fight with this new dude. I accept to have better moves.
And here you go.
I love the weight of everything. The way his head like swings.
True. But I actually noticed Genji has the footwork from that. When I said the time.
Damn. Damn.
Ow, 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 ow. All right, Spider-Man 2, let's go.
I would think that like
You want to be tweeted, then you get out.
Hell yeah.
we're working for would like
I love fights on top of trains.
They're fantastic. Yeah.
you know, because like that would be a good weapon.
Getting late.
Best thing in the world.
Because we would still have our brains. I don't know, man.
Finally, you
No,
did it, bro.
they're not. They're not doing good.
Such an honest boy.
Yep.
My boy.
Ooh.
You trash.
I don't know why that was such a cool line. You guys are
Oh,
hater.
So good.
You good
Again,
like
I would
granddaddy.
chainsaw
Don't
more
bring
than
me
through a katana.
so questionable laser
So
tactics.
like, for me, Denji's gonna definitely gonna
we're doing two immortals locked in rhythmic battle until Judgment Day.
But our Denji has
Are there people on this train?
Oh, into the train! Holy shit, this fight!
Oh, that poor old lady.
Emergency stop. Hold on to something.
When Makima
Yeah.
on the train got shot, the train went to fucking
Oh shit.
Damn.
Careful, careful with your chainsaws.
Oh, shoot. Girl? Oh.
Shit, Jesus.
She's like, oi.
My boy.
I think that lady.
Well, that's an arm.
Yeah.
Go figure who's talking trash about who protects who.
He's gonna do his
That
thing
was
again.
crazy.
Can we ban that?
Jeez.
Oh my god, that's it.
Bro.
After all that training, what happened?
Yeah, I was literally gonna say that.
You're done. One it up.
I still have a chainsaw left, my man.
It's a common swordsman move. Reminds me of Brain. And it's
Yeah,
Zenjutsu.
why doesn't Denji got one of these yet?
I just love the.
Yeah.
Ah!
He blocked him. Impossible.
No, I think he cut off a
Now
leg
what?
or
It's gone.
something.
Did you cut him?
His top got locked.
Oh, after
Shit.
that training.
He had to do something to him, right? There's no way his shit got banged
Yeah,
up
I'm
like
supposed to
that.
make this Katana nigga look, bro.
Holy shit! Wait, what?
Hell yeah, that's the fuck I'm talking about!
I didn't expect that.
I didn't expect that either. I didn't
Bruh.
He jumped the.
Oh my god, and he's
I
still talking
said,
after.
That's an upgrade I was looking for, man. I mean, this Katana dude got a secret move. What the hell's Denji's secret move gonna be? Chainsaws everywhere! Yo.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
gotcha, bitch.
Wait, but he is still alive.
Yeah, he heals.
Yeah.
Man.
Oh. Wait a s- Oh, they
This is by yourself?
probably both immortal.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
What other pressing issues could we possibly have?
What else does he want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, bro!
Tell him, Denji.
They're not here right now, are they?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
This is about to be rough.
Are they gonna like pull a trigger?
He wouldn't be out here. I guess, yeah, because they just.
Oh no. I'm
Yeah.
scared.
What the hell? What?
Shit. Bang bang. He's gonna be a punching bag.
Wait.
Well, who can win?
Oh.
Yes. Remember this is how we met him.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, it's been such a day.
You know, I could use that.
You took a shots.
We caught him.
Revenge.
Yeah.
This guy has true closure.
She probably would have
Are you sure?
I think she wanted that.
She would have.
She looks
I'm not
sad.
sure.
Like, even the way that he wanted to torture him was like childish. Like,
Not for someone as old as him.
Just start
What else
prediction.
would have Himeno wanted?
See, she
No,
said
the keyboard
easy
warrior
revenge.
is coming for me.
Hold on to it.
She said
Okay.
easy revenge. Nut shots are easy revenge.
Yep, not shot.
Oh!
Yeah, there we
Hell
go.
yeah.
His family truly wanted to call.
Oi.
Drop the water! Drop the water!
Oh, man, I wanted them.
That's so specific for Denji.
Yeah.
I love it.
I want to hear bitch holler.
Oh, this guy ended, like, more simple than I thought. She ended.
You're alive.
So they ain't gonna get her bonus.
That's so crazy.
I love this one.
What's up with this
That is a
shouty?
beautiful shot.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Hell yeah! Yeah! I thought they were gonna show it.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Why?
Shit.
Why? Ah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Mmm.
Right? What the fuck?
Okay.
Why is credits rolling?
She made the snake
What dummy
kill
is
her?
that?
Is it not her own? Yes.
Oh.
Maybe. Hmm.
Yo, that was
That's
fucking.
a lot.
Oh shit.
Okay.
No, she might not be dead.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Alright.
So they're like,
Thank God.
okay,
I
now
have
Oh.
we can actually get on with it.
Find out next season.
Yeah.
That's power?
Hey! In normal clothes, just hanging out. It's like a continuation of the OP in a way.
Yeah.
Power switch.
No, I really love power.
But instead of work-related stuff, they're just hanging out.
She's fun to rob.
Hey, she's a little hygienic now. She's so full of
Hey! Yeah.
Actually, if I have regenerating powers, then I would pursue power. If I don't have the ability to regenerate, I'm staying away from her. Denji can, yeah.
Oh, that food looks good.
Oh, this is actually a nice outro. This is wholesome.
Tearing it out.
Actually, this is my favorite outro so far to memory. I don't think I liked one more.
Nah, I think like episode 2 or 3 is the best.
I don't remember those.
Just Power and Denji like harassing everyone.
Actually, all my favorite outros
I love these goobers.
have power mixes. I remember she had like her food up in one of them. I liked it. Yeah.
Yeah, I know Gundam flesh.
Yeah.
So
It's
great.
just
Oh.
too much.
Still going.
Dope.
Is he gonna smoke that cigarette?
Thank God. If this apartment just
Yeah. I think
explodes
so.
for some bullshit,
Dude.
I don't want to
Everybody's out.
cliffhanger. It was
Actually
just such a great
fucking
thing with that ending. I just wanted to
Okay.
What? I'm so confused. Was that the outro?
Wow,
or
that,
what?
that outro actually happened. They
Or
went
does he
shopping
throw it
for
away?
food and cooked dinner.
Let me just segue the outro into the.
There's the ashtray.
You know, my kid?
It's a hard life being a housewife.
My first and last cigarette. History
No more?
that was a lie. Oh, you about to
Oh.
smoke it up?
He got the exact one too. That's
There's like a note in it.
He knows where to
Yeah,
put it.
right?
I mean, there's a note on it.
I'm like, even just for sentimental purposes.
smoke it when you kill the gun devil instead.
He might quit after this for whatever reason.
You don't got
Yeah.
no time.
Oh, he gonna smoke it.
At least I know I could be right because the future devil told me that my death was gonna fucking
Asian dudes make smoking seem the coolest, man. They
Bro,
really think
I'm
it's
telling you,
cool.
man. I was just thinking about it. I'm like, I can never look this cold cigarette, bro. Me neither. Me neither.
I started thinking about all the live actions that we
And
watched
it's
too.
coalescing into an image of the future.
This is like a missile's gonna hit their building or something. I don't mean that as a joke. It just seems
You see, like it was gonna.
Yeah, I'm waiting for something bad to happen too, right? I thought he's gonna like see her in the smoke or something.
Son of a bitch.
A dream. Wait, the beginning?
This was in the trailer.
Oh.
This was in the trailer.
Now this is really feeling like Doro Doro.
The first trailer started out like.
Oh shit,
and he
the
turns
music.
And there's the fucking door. Yeah, I remember those.
Oh
sheets of
shit,
paper.
wait.
It was like the,
Hang on a second. Hang on a second.
Who is it? I mean,
Because boy, because like maybe.
Oh, it says he's a kid. Yeah, he's a kid.
Oh, he's gonna.
As a kid.
I think he's gonna visit his heart and his mind.
Eye or giving up his body.
Oh fuck, this is Dorohedoro.
God damn it.
Oh shit.
You can't bullshit like this.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, I was kind of right.
What?
Wait.
And it keeps going.
What?
Yo, yeah.
Whose voice was that? Whose voice said don't open the door?
I don't know. It's supposed to be Pochita.
Oh, I think Pochita got another side to Pochita. That's how I imagine it. To open up that side of my personality or whatever. Country medicine.
Let's go Benny, right?